Hello YouTube and welcome to another AI tutorial. So in this video, we're gonna talk about LLM families and understand proprietary versus open source language models with clear examples and interactive comparisons. By the end of this tutorial, you will know which LLM family fits your needs and why the open versus closed debate matters more than ever in 2026. So, are you ready? Let's get started. What is a large language model? An LLM is an AI system trained on vast amounts of text to understand and generate human language. Think of it as a prediction engine that guesses the next word, one token at a time. Analogy. An LLM is like an incredibly well-read friend who has read billions of books. They do not think, they pattern match based on everything they have seen. All LLMs fall into two camps. The difference is not just technical, it is about control, cost, and freedom. Proprietary, closed, you access the model through an API or app. The weights, training data, and architecture are secret. You rent the brain, you do not own it. Open source, open weight. The model weights are publicly available. You can download, modify, fine-tune, and run them on your own hardware. You own the brain. Reality check. Most open source LLMs are actually open weight. They share the trained model, but not the training data or code. True open source, like Apache 2, is rarer. Meet the major LLM families. GPT family OpenAI, the household name. GPT-4o and GPT-5 lead in general reasoning and writing quality. Best for chatbots, content creation, and general-purpose assistance. Access via API or chat. Claude family Anthropic, known for safety, long context, 200K tokens, and nuanced reasoning. Claude Opus handles complex multi-step tasks. Best for research, document analysis, and coding agents. In this chart, you can see the evolution timeline, closed versus open source. The capability gap has narrowed from 50% in 2022 to 5% in 2026. Open weight models have closed the gap with proprietary leaders. These 5 families are driving the open revolution, offering frontier-level quality at a fraction of the cost. Qwen 3, Alibaba, available in dense and MoA variants up to 235B parameters. Exceptional multilingual support across 29+ languages. Qwen 3 Coder leads open-source coding benchmarks at 69.6% SWIBench. DeepSeek v4, DeepSeek AI, pro-level coding performance, 80.6% SWIBench, and advanced reasoning. Features a massive 1M token context window and extremely efficient MoA inference. The go-to for cost-sensitive deployments. Llama 4 Meta. Maverick 400B MoA is the flagship with strong long-context performance, backed by the largest ecosystem of fine-tunes, LoRa's, and tools. Meta Community License allows broad commercial use. Mistral/Codestral, Mistral AI, pioneered the mixture of experts efficiency revolution. Codestral dominates code fill-in-the-middle tasks, 95.3% humanval. European leader with a strong focus on data privacy and GDPR compliance. Kimi K2. Moonshot AI, the agentic coding champion with advanced tool use and autonomous planning. Strong performance on SWIBench Pro, built from the ground up for multi-step workflows and complex software engineering tasks. In this chart below, you can see the open source models by country of origin. China leads in open weight releases, but quality and ecosystem depth vary by region. Why it matters in 2026. Open weight models now deliver 90–95% of frontier capability at 1/10% of the cost of proprietary APIs. The quality gap is closing every quarter. And the freedom to fine-tune, quantize, and self-host is reshaping how companies build with AI. Here are some examples how proprietary and open-source models stack up across the dimensions that matter most. Cost, proprietary, pay per token. GPT-5, 5 per 1M tokens, scales with usage. Open source, free weights. Hosted APIS, Qwen 3 at 0.09/$0. Per 1M, up to 250x cheaper. Quality, proprietary, leads on hardest reasoning, top-tier writing and coherence. Open source, within 3–5% on most benchmarks. Matches on coding. Gap closing fast. Which one should you choose? Answer these 3 questions to get a tailored recommendation. 1. Does your data need to stay private? 2. What is your budget scale? 3. Do you have ML engineering resources? The LLM landscape in 2026 is no longer open versus closed. It is about choosing the right tool for the job. Choose proprietary when you need the absolute best reasoning quality, you want zero infrastructure overhead, you have moderate token volume, under 5 million month. You need multimodal capabilities, speed of deployment matters most. Choose open source when data privacy is non-negotiable, you have high token volume, over 5 million month. You need deep customization/fine-tuning, you want to avoid vendor lock-in, you have ML engineering capacity. In 2026, the smart default is start with an open model, escalate to proprietary only for the hardest edge cases. Open weights now deliver 90–95% of frontier capability at 1–10% of the cost. You now understand the LLM family landscape and can make informed decisions about open versus proprietary models. So, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment or a like. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing. Bye-bye.